Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recreate this effect from one of MagnatesMedia's videos. Let's get started. First, import the assets. Then add the separated clips, which I separated them. Add the first keyframe at the beginning of both layers and increase the scale. Move at the end and add another keyframe. Then bring the scale to 100 for both layers. Change each keyframe curves to ease. Export still frame. Then import it again and add it to the timeline. Add the article image you created. If you want to know how I created it, comment below if you want me to make a video about it. Then scale the article and add a rectangle mask. Click reverse, position it among the image and increase duration to 7 seconds. It's time to animate. First, add keyframe at the beginning of the layer. Then move a little bit and downscale the image. Repeat the steps to the article. To add a scroll animation, move 1 second on both layers and add keyframe. Then move to the end and select both layers and position the article to the top. Change each keyframe curves to ease. Then export still frame. Add it to the timeline and extend the duration to 13 seconds. Zoom on the word you want. Then add a yellow overlay and on mask section add rectangle. Make it compound clip and add another horizontal mask. Add the first keyframe and change rotation to -90 degrees. Then move few frames and slide it to right. Change keyframes to ease, then change blend mode to multiply. Now it's time to add some effects. Add vibration, flash, or pulse if you are using CapCut free version. Then add television line effect and add first keyframe with 0 intensity. Then move 1 second and bring it back. Add an effects called fish, eye, and DV texture. Then repeat the steps like previous. Finally, add slow zoom to the final layer and adjust it. Export it, and that's it for today's video. If you liked it, then please subscribe and hit the thumbs up.